In today's video, I'm going to show you how to add a new page in Webflow. So start by opening up your project in the designer. Then next in the left panel, click on the pages icon. And at the top of the pages panel, click on the add button to create a new page. So here, select new page. And now here, give your page a name. And Webflow will automatically generate the URL based on that name. You can also adjust basic settings like SEO title and meta description if needed. And once done, click on the Create button. And with this new page created, you can now start building your layout by adding sections, text, images, and other elements. And when you're done, click on the Publish button at the top right to make the page live on your site. So that's pretty much it. Thank you very much for watching this video, and I'll see you again on the next one. Bye!